This podcast is sponsored by BuyBiz.io. Discover premium AI-driven online businesses for sale, perfect for standalone growth or seamless integration. Explore now at BuyBiz.io to kickstart your digital success.
Understanding profitability analysis, a simple breakdown. Discover the essentials of profitability analysis, from revenue streams to profit margins, in this informative and entertaining podcast episode. Understanding profitability analysis, a friendly chat. Hey there, my friends. Welcome back to our little corner of the auditory world where we break down all things finance and business, making them as easy to digest as a slice of grandma's apple pie. Today, we're tackling a topic that might sound a bit jargony at first, but stick with me, and I promise it'll be enlightening and maybe even fun. I'm talking about profitability analysis. So, what's profitability analysis, you ask? Imagine you've got a lemonade stand and you want to figure out if all that hard work is actually paying off. You're determining whether all those lemon squeezes and sticky fingers are worthwhile. That's exactly what businesses do on a larger scale with profitability analysis. In simple terms, profitability analysis is the financial evaluation process businesses use to determine if they're making a profit from their endeavors. It's kind of like taking a temperature check to see if the business is financially healthy or in need of some TLC. The key components. Let's break down the essentials of profitability analysis. Revenue streams. First up, we need to know what money is coming in. Revenue streams could be anything from sales, service fees, subscription payments, or even sweet grandma dropping by the stand every Saturday with a 20. Costs and expenses. Then, we tally up what's going out. This includes costs of goods sold, like your lemons and sugar, operating expenses, labor costs, if you're paying your kid brother to work the cash register, and any other expenses. Profit margins. Now, we get to the crux of it, profit margins. These tell you how much profit you're making compared to your sales. There are multiple kinds, but the basic idea is to know how efficiently a company is converting sales into actual profit. Why it matters. Understanding profitability isn't just for multinational corporations. Whether you're a small business owner or a corporate executive, knowing how profitable your venture is can help you make strategic decisions. It guides where you should focus resources, whether it's time to expand or even if it's prudent to sell. And speaking of selling, maybe you're considering stepping away from your lemonade empire to seek out new ventures. If so, you'd want to check out Archieboy Holdings' AI-based businesses for sale. It's a fantastic resource for exploring various business opportunities or finding the right buyer for your current gig. Explore our listings today. Profitability ratios. Now let's talk ratios. That might seem like a math lesson, but these little numbers pack a big punch. Gross profit margin. It tells you what percentage of revenue is left after costs. It's the equivalent of counting what's left in your jar after buying all your supplies. Operating profit margin. This one goes a step further, accounting for operating expenses too. It's a check of operating health, minus the interest and taxes. Net profit margin, the granddaddy of them all. Once you've accounted for all expenses, taxes, and interests, what's the bottom line? This tells you the actual profit percentage after everything has been deducted. Wrapping it up. Whether you want to make sure your efforts are reaping rewards or you're planning to appeal to investors, understanding profitability analysis is crucial. It provides transparency, drives informed decision-making, and highlights areas for improvement. Before we wrap up, if you're considering the next step for your current venture or are interested in exploring new business opportunities, don't forget to check out Archieboy Holdings' AI-based businesses for sale. There's a world of opportunities waiting for you out there. And that's a wrap for today, folks. Grab your lemonade and savor those profits. Until next time, stay financially savvy.